I'm CNN meteorologist Bonnie Schneider with a special earthquake update on CNN.com. Well, today there was a 7.7 at magnitude quake in northern Chile in South America. It's not that surprising that we saw such a large quake and even the numerous aftershocks that were felt within hours of that quake. The area you see highlighted in red is known as the Ring of Fire in the Pacific Ocean, and certainly it does include the coastline, the west coastline of South America, the west coast of the U.S. through Alaska, Canada, and all the way down through Asia and even towards New Zealand and Australia. So this is a large portion of the world. This particular area in the Pacific is so volatile that over 452 active and dormant volcanoes exist in this region. And 90%, that's almost all of the world's earthquakes occur within the Ring of Fire. 17% of the world's largest earthquakes, like the one we just saw today, occur within this region as well. So it's certainly a very active area. In this specific case, what happened was we have the movement beneath the earth and beneath the ocean of what's known as the tectonic plates. This plate represents here the Nazca plate, and the South American plate encompasses all of South America. There's a constant movement and shifting happening in this region, and this subduction zone is actually known as the Peru-Chile subduction zone. It's very, very active through this region, whereas the Nazca plate shifts just beneath the South American plate. It's not a large movement. In fact, it's moves slower than if you were to watch your fingernails grow, about 3 inches per year. So that's the rate of speed it's moving. But just that force is enough to cause the movement within the ocean floor, and unfortunately an earthquake that we saw in Chile today. Now, there was some concern as we look towards Hawaii of how is this going to affect Hawaii, because we had tsunami warnings issued at one point. All of them have expired, and really the only report that we had for Hawaii was perhaps a little bit rise in the sea level, perhaps a little bit more activity in terms of waves, but very minimal. And incidentally, when this report came out, it said that it might occur around 8:30 into the evening hours, 7:30 at night Hawaiian time, and really we haven't had any reports of anything for Hawaii, so far so good. So a much better situation for areas in the U.S. and unfortunately for Peru, a very active day there and as well into Chile, because the effects of this quake were felt all along the region, even towards Bolivia and near the border there. That's a look at the earthquake for today. I'm CNN meteorologist Bonnie Schneider.